Attention all road warriors. This is set of coolest gadgets for your car will keep you safe and more efficient. When you're out on the road, anything can happen in a split second. That's why you need the 70mm Dashcam Pro. You have a witness on the road with you at all times. It captures every detail of your drive, so you can always have evidence in case of an accident. This cam is packed with advanced features that make it the ultimate driving companion. It records in stunning 1944p resolution, so you can see every detail of your drive. It also has a built-in G sensor that detects sudden movements, like a collision, and automatically saves the footage, so you never miss a thing. And with the 70My app, you can easily access and manage your footage from your phone, no matter where you are. The Dashcam's 140-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road ahead, ensuring that you don't miss any important details. It's perfect for capturing everything from scenic drives to unexpected events on the road. The Dashcam's advanced Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.8 aperture lens ensure that you get clear, detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Are you tired of having to constantly switch between your phone and your car's sound system while driving? Introducing the Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter for car, the easy solution to all your audio needs. With its plug-and-play design, crystal clear sound, hands-free calling, dual USB charging ports, and wide compatibility, it's the perfect addition to any car. And with its sleek and compact design, it blends seamlessly with your car's interior. Say goodbye to tangled wires and complicated adapters and get yours today. Are you tired of having to constantly clean your car's interior with a traditional vacuum cleaner? Introducing the Baseus 4000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate cleaning tool for your car. The Baseus 4000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner has a powerful motor, making it easy to clean even the most stubborn dirt and debris from your car's interior. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for cleaning your car on the go. Its compact size also means that it won't take up much space in your car. The vacuum cleaner comes with multiple attachments, including a dusting brush and a nozzle, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny of your car's interior. The Baseus 4000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner is affordable, making it the perfect cleaning tool for anyone who wants to keep their car's interior clean and tidy. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia Portable Electric Air Compressor, the ultimate solution for your tire inflation needs. The Xiaomi Mijia Portable Electric Air Compressor is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Its small size also means that it won't take up much space in your car. The air compressor is capable of inflating car tires, bicycle tires, and even sports balls quickly and easily. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, you can inflate a car tire in just a few minutes. The air compressor has an LED display that shows the current pressure, making it easy to monitor the inflation process. Introducing the VEVOR Car Refrigerator Portable Fridge Freezer, the perfect solution for keeping your food and drinks cold and fresh while on the go. The VEVOR Car Refrigerator Portable Fridge Freezer comes in 3 different sizes: 36L, 50L, and 60L, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. The VEVOR Car Refrigerator Portable Fridge Freezer uses advanced compressor technology to provide rapid and efficient cooling. You can adjust the temperature to your desired level, ensuring that your food and drinks stay fresh and cold. Whether you choose the 36L, 50L, or 60L size, the VEVOR Car Refrigerator Portable Fridge Freezer offers plenty of space to store your food and drinks while you're on the go. With a compact and lightweight design, this fridge freezer is easy to take with you on road trips, camping, and other outdoor adventures.